Hey Birchouse friends, welcome back. So this week's question comes to us from Kozak Cat, who asks, "Hey Birchouse, what is your favorite sword?" I felt like I had answered this question in the past, but when I did a cursory look at our Hey Birchouse playlist, I didn't see a video on the topic. So let's get into it. Now, what I do know for sure is that I have said in a previous video that my first love are sabers, like this one here. This is a American Revolution Dragoon saber. And your first love will always be your first love, and in this case, it also happens to be my favorite. Still, my favorite sword types of swords are sabers. I have been fencing saber for quite a while. I love their functionality, their fluidity, their versatility. Just a huge fan of sabers. And by extension, saber-adjacent swords. So things like hangers, and slaba, and shamshir, tuar, cutlasses, like this one here. This is a 1917 U.S. naval cutlass. And this actually happens to be the first sword I ever owned. I'm a huge fan of sabers and the swords in the same lineage. Now, having said that, very recently, in the last couple months, the Birchouse crew has been working in MS-I-33, or Fect Book 1. Fect Book 1 is a treatise on the use of sword and buckler. And we knew that we wanted to bring sword and buckler to Birchouse as part of our educational services. So I have been doing a lot of fencing with arming swords, which is something I had not spent a lot of time with arming swords up until very recently. And I got to tell you, they're rapidly becoming they're becoming a close second. I'm having a blast fencing with the arming sword. This one, by the way, is a 14th century example with an oakshot type 15 blade, this real needly point for thrusting. I'm having an absolute blast. I'm not spending a lot of time fencing this without an offhand weapon. Typically, I'm fencing this with a buckler, which is what I need to do for Fect Book 1, but also with a heater shield. Still, having an absolute blast fencing with the arming sword. Really glad I'm getting an opportunity to spend time fencing with this. Kozak Cat, that was a great question. Thank you so much for asking. Comment below, let us know what is your favorite sword. And while you're there, if you ever have a question for Birchouse, comment below with "Hey Birchouse, ask," and we'll answer your question in a future video. In the meantime, we'll see you all next Wednesday.
Welcome to Birchouse, where history meets art with due diligence.